Amy, it was Amanda Harrington who introduced us and said at our wellness day, if there's one thing that I advise you to do, it is peels, peels, peels. She said they really have results, and at the end of her talk, I then went off and said to her, right, Amanda, I'm up for some peels, where do I go? And here we are. I think I'm 4 peels into a course of 6, and they're vitamin C peels, and I've been really impressed with the results. So Amy, what exactly is a peel?
Okay, so a peel is using an acid. So an acid is a solution that's basically a lower pH than your natural skin, and that helps to resurface, take off the top layers of the skin. There are different levels of peels. So with you, we're doing more of a resurfacing peel, but then you can go much stronger where you are taking a lot more layers of the skin to help to work with different conditions of the skin, using different types of acid to work with those different conditions.
And if someone's sitting there going, do I need a peel? What would you say? Who should have a peel?
Well, firstly, I would probably say come for a consultation, because with your skin it is very bespoke. A lot of people, they speak to friends and they want exactly what someone else is having, but it isn't maybe necessarily the right. Mostly everyone could have one, but I would just be careful with someone that's got a very sensitive skin, a lot of broken capillaries. Then we would have to be a little bit more careful and maybe prepare the skin a little bit longer to get the skin a little stronger before we started with that. But generally everyone, but we would have to look at the skin and look at your lifestyle and everything.
Well, I am, as I said, 4 peels into a course of 6, and I'm here today for my 5th. So we're going to see how it's done.
Okay. So we're ready to start the peel. So with this peel, we actually do dry cleansing. We don't actually use water, and this is the cleanse is obviously to remove the dirt and grime, so we can get the acid to penetrate deeper rather than sitting on top of layers of debris on the skin. So now we're going to do a peel prep. This is to take out all the oils in the skin, degrease the skin so the acids can penetrate deeper rather than having to go through the oils in the skin. So we're going to start with the first layer with vitamin C, and what Georgie usually feels on her skin is like a tingly, prickly feeling. So we do fan the skin. This also just helps to cool the air, but it helps to distract from the kind of tingling on the skin. And even though this is at the moment just we're applying vitamin C, it's still quite acidic. So for a sensitive skin would feel this. If you had a skin that wasn't as sensitive or maybe oilier, they probably wouldn't feel very much at all right now. The next layer, we are increasing the percentages of acids, so she probably will feel a little bit more tingly with this one. So now I'm going to apply the damp gauze. So I just need to make sure Georgie keeps her eyes tight. So this is activating the acid now in the skin. So the acids have penetrated deep in, and this is activating them. So we're going to saturate the area now. Okay, so what Georgie will feel now, she'll feel an increase in sensation now because this is activating the acid in the skin. And we will keep saturating the skin until that feeling of tingling has subsided. So we're just going to keep neutralising now with the water, okay, until Georgie doesn't feel anything anymore. As you can see, there's a little bit of pinkness to the skin, but that's absolutely fine, that's good. So now I'm going to apply another form of vitamin C. It's called Mag-C. This helps to also neutralise the skin and also strengthen the skin. So with this, there is no feeling. She'll just feel wet on the skin. Okay, this is a recovery complex. Also, this has got minerals and vitamins in it. This also helps to strengthen the skin and helps to neutralise. So I'm just going to sit Georgie up now. We're done. How's your skin feeling there?
Yeah, good. I don't want to touch it, but yeah, good.
Yeah. Do you feel a little bit of warmth in the skin?
No.
No. It just sort of feels like your skin's had sort of really good clean and quite fresh.
No, it feels good.